If you're starting a YouTube channel or restarting one of the biggest questions that can genuinely paralyze people is, how long should my videos actually be? And if you're over 40, this question tends to feel even heavier because you don't want to waste time and you really want to get it right. So, well, let me make this incredibly simple for you. There is no perfect video length, but there is an ideal video length for the stage you're currently in. And your mistake might be that you're trying to jump to advanced creator rules before you even have your first 10 or 20 videos done. So let's break this down in a way that takes off all the pressure. First, YouTube doesn't reward short or long videos. It rewards viewer satisfaction. Most people think they need to make short videos to respect the viewer's time. Others think they need to make long videos to feed the algorithm in some way. And neither of those things is true. YouTube is simply asking, did the viewer get what they came for? And did they feel good enough about the experience to watch more? That's it. So your video length should be based on how long it takes you to deliver a satisfying answer or solution, and not longer than that, and not shorter than that. Second, if you're brand new, aim for 4 to 7 minutes. Why 4 to 7 minutes? Well, because this to me is the sweet spot where you can explain an idea clearly, show some personality, and keep the viewer engaged and avoid overwhelming yourself. At this stage, you're not trying to win Oscars. You're just building your reps and your confidence and doing it in public, maybe for the first time. So shorter than 4 minutes tends to rush your value a little bit, and longer than 7 minutes when you're new, that can often lead to rambling and tangents and insecurity. So 4 to 7 minutes, that's simple, it's doable, and it's repeatable. Third, once you've posted at least 10 videos, you have permission to go longer. My permission anyway. Why 10 videos? Well, because by then you've practiced. You've practiced your delivery, you've practiced your filming process, your editing flow, your on-camera confidence, and your content clarity. And at that point, your videos naturally get better and they get sharper and more structured. So now you can start aiming for, let's say, 8 to 12 minutes because you can hold attention longer and you can teach deeper concepts and you can qualify for mid-roll ads if you choose to when your channel reaches the monetization stage. You have to be at least 8 minutes for that. But only after you've built those foundational skills. You don't build long-form strength by starting long. You build it by starting short and growing into it. Fourth, the only wrong video length is one that burns you out. So some people thrive with 6-minute videos, and some do really well with 14-minute videos. And some stay in that 8 to 10-minute range forever, and that's perfectly fine. But here's what doesn't work. Trying to force yourself to make long videos when you're still struggling to hit the record button. Your video length should support your consistency, not fight against it. Now you should know this. Your audience doesn't care how long your video is. They care how useful it is. If you keep the viewer feeling like they're learning and progressing or being guided, they will stay with you. And especially for those of us over 40, people want clarity. They want smart, thoughtful, well-paced videos that make their life easier. So give them that, and the length of the video will take care of itself. Now that's my formula, and there might be other formulas out there that work better for you, but I'm saying when you're new, aim for 4 to 7 minutes. Once you have your first 10 videos, then grow into 8 to 12 minutes, and always prioritize clarity and satisfaction and consistency over some arbitrary video length. If you'd like me to create more short videos like this, let me know in the comments. And if you want to work with me to help you build real income on YouTube, start by grabbing my free over 40 YouTube starter pack linked in the description box. And then check out one of these helpful videos. I'll see you there.